Welcome to Hong Kong Yamaha Motors unboxing ceremony. This is for the new Yamaha Tmax 560, and this is the very first time we are having an unboxing ceremony event for a CBU imported model. Very special event, yeah? My name is Kenneth and I will be your MC for this morning's event. Now, we must say that initially, once the market found out that Hong Kong Yamaha Motor will be introducing the new Yamaha Tmax 560, there was a lot of buzz, a lot of talk in town, and we did receive a lot of inquiries, both from the dealers as well as from the bikers themselves. And of course, we officially introduced the new Yamaha Tmax 560 and also previewed the new Yamaha MT-09 and the Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. Yesterday we did it, yeah. And also we immediately had our first 3 customers immediately, yeah, who not only placed an order and bought this new Yamaha Tmax 560, but did it without even seeing the bike and also without even knowing the price tag, let alone the Tmax 560 being not even launched yet. Fantastic, right? How about a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, let me have the pleasure to invite Mr. Tim Hu, our General Manager, Marketing and Meta, Hong Kong Yamaha Motors Berhad, for his welcoming address. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning, everyone. Selamat pagi. It's so good to see all of you, all the smiling faces after such a long time. Now that the travel ban has been lifted, and it's time to ride. Yeah. On behalf of Hong Kong Yamaha Motor, I welcome all of you today to our Yamaha Lifestyle Station here in Sungai Buloh for a very special occasion, the unboxing of the new Yamaha Tmax 560. That is the level of support, dedication that we have for these 3 buyers, from these 3 buyers. Mr. Bob, Mr. Whitekid, and Mr. Buloh, thank you so much for your trust in Yamaha, in the product, and also in our dealers. Our dealers today, Hyap Ek, Amish Chua, and also Takong Racing. Thank you to the 3 dealers.
Bob Asnol, yeah? And Miss Tay from Takong Racing. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Alright. This is a very exciting moment also. Imagine, yeah, they have not seen their bike, they have not known the price, everything. They just order straight away, support. Okay, hope you're all ready for this moment. Are you ready? Ready and stand by. The Tmax 560, and we are going to view the bikes for the very first time, ladies and gentlemen. So, okay, everyone, hold the curtain box. Ready? I count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Stand by. Okay, are you ready? At the count of 3. 1, 2. First, don't go anywhere, because now we want you to actually open the seat of your bike. Can you please open the seat of your bikes, yeah? To see the large storage compartment. And on top of that, ladies and gentlemen, we once again have another surprise for you. And what is this surprise, ladies and gentlemen, in the storage compartment? We are now giving you, for the first 3 customers, souvenirs, which is maybe Tim, you can just hold up also. You can show that we have this Tmax cap, special cap, and also a t-shirt, special t-shirt as a gesture for your support. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm sure you're going to be enjoying your little souvenirs here. So you have a special engraved keychain, you have your t-shirt, you have your Tmax cap, and of course you have your fantastic Tmax 560 motorcycle exclusively for you, just for you. Once again, a very big thank you, especially you are the first 3 customers for us. Okay, part of Hong Leong Yamaha Motors added benefit, ladies and gentlemen, for the Yamaha big bike owners, we have the SOS Fast Lane Big Biker Emergency Program. Alright, these are for the big bike owners, and this provides extra security and emergency assist for bike breakdowns. In appreciation of being our first 3 owners and bikers, ladies and gentlemen, this is for the new Yamaha Tmax 560. I'd like to invite now Ms. Dauphin Teo, Deputy GM from SOS Fast Lane, to hand over a free SOS Fast Lane membership to each of our new Tmax 560 owners. Please welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. Right, each of our owners will get this special privilege membership. Okay, the next presentation. Okay, we presented it to the owner and also to the dealer, MS Chua. Now we have from Yamik and also the owner. Proud owners. First we have Mr. Teng Wai Kin, and then now we have Mr. Lim Bu Hui. Thank you. And the next owner, Cik Bob Hasnun, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, Mr. Teng, your new Yamaha Tmax 560, what do you think, what do you expect? Thai dollar, you see now, give them the mic. What do you think about your bike? Anything to say?
Very good.
Very good. Anything else to say? Are you
Excited.
excited? Are you ready for the bike?
Ready.
Already ready?
Ready.
I forgot to ask you just now, owners, today you brought your helmet and your license, and anybody topang you here, no, you can ride back straight. Straight can ride back. Okay, thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, our first owner, Mr. Teng Wai Kin. Let's give him a big round of applause. Just make it short and easy. Okay, Mr. Lim Bu Hui. Anything to say after seeing this motorcycle now? Anything to say?
It's look happy and this is very great scooter for this moment. It's very exciting.
You're ready already,
Yes.
Sure ready one. Must remember now when you ride, you're the first 3 owner, no? So you ride also, wow, gaya like this. Sure one, Thank you very much. A lot of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And Bob, apa khabar Bob? How are you?
baik.
Okay, Bob, any comment, ada apa comment, anything to say? Now you've seen your motorcycle, sudah lihat macam mana? Anything to say, any comment, Bob?
Well, I feel so excited today and
Okay.
I cannot wait to take it out for a ride.
Yeah, good, very good. All of you came very early to see your motorcycle. Awal-awal sudah balik, sudah datang. Okay, so all 3 of you, are you ready? Fantastic, Can we just give it a one big yeah, like that? Ready? At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Thank you. Let's give them a big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.